Steps for testing concrete air content.
Step 1. Wet the inner wall of the concrete air content tester container and the inner surface of the lid with a damp cloth. Step 2. Fill the slumped cone with the concrete mixture sample in 3 equal layers. For each layer, uniformly rod 25 times with the tamping rod in a spiral motion. After rodding, each layer should occupy roughly 1/3 of the cone's height. When rodding the bottom layer, the rod must penetrate the full depth. When rodding the second and top layers, the rod should penetrate through the current layer and just into the surface of the underlying layer. Step 3. Scrape off excess concrete mixture from the surface, smooth it with a trowel, fill and smooth any depressions. Step 4. Wet the container mouth and edges, cover with the lid, and tighten the bolts to ensure a sealed and airtight fit. Step 5. Close the operation valve and exhaust valve, then open the drain valve and water inlet valve. Fill the container with water through the water inlet valve. When no air bubbles appear in the water flowing out of the drain valve, close the water inlet valve and drain valve while maintaining water injection. Step 6. Inflate the air chamber to a pressure greater than 0.1 megapascal, and wait for the pressure gauge reading to stabilize. Open the exhaust valve to adjust the pressure to 0.1 megapascal, then close the exhaust valve. Step 7. Open the operation valve to allow compressed air from the air chamber to enter the container. After the pressure gauge reading stabilizes, record the pressure value. Then open the exhaust valve. The pressure gauge reading should return to 0. Step 8. Result confirmation. After measuring the air content of the concrete mixture, record it to the nearest 0.1%. The test result shall be the arithmetic mean of 2 measurements. If the difference between the 2 measurements exceeds 0.5%, repeat the test. The measured result at this point is the uncorrected air content of the concrete mixture. The final concrete air content result shall be the value after subtracting the air content of the coarse aggregate.